veteran Bryan and Rickard have reportedly been made available on the trade block. It's no secret the Leafs need a huge addition, a lethal weapon in the top six. Despite its solid core, has proven costly in recent playoff runs. Now, with proven names with Russ and Rikell on the trade block, Toronto has a rare opportunity to make a meaningful move before the 25-26 campaign begins, and the Penguins are preparing to completely tear it down, hoping to position themselves for 2026 in the NHL draft. Gavin McKenna, the Leafs must be decisive